Good morning, YouTube. Elian Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. We're bringing you this video this morning from our backyard escape garden area here in our backyard, around our 1100 gallon koi pond. And this morning we have a special treat that we want to share with you guys this morning. We've been working on this project for quite a while now. It actually started last year, believe it or not, YouTube, and we're actually just getting around to working on this project and making some major progress on it. So we want to share this video with you guys this morning and get your opinion on what you think as far as the materials that we used and how we help clean up the neighborhood by using these type of materials to recycle them in this way. So take a look at what we did, YouTube. All right, YouTube. As you may recall from some of our previous videos about our 1100 gallon koi pond here in our backyard escapes garden area here in our backyard. Behind our garden pond here, we had an old stack of tires that you might have seen small snippets of in some of our previous videos. They were just old and discolored. What we actually did last year, we spent about a week and a half to 2 weeks riding around our neighborhood, actually picking up old used tires that people had tossed along the roadside and beside the road near their garbage cans, etc. And we stockpiled a bunch of those here in our backyard over in a corner last year, and we're going to show you what we actually use those tires for, YouTube. It actually took us a while to get around to this project as I said in the previous clip to this video, but we're really pleased with the way things turned out and the way things actually look with what we use those used tires for YouTube. So take a look at this. That old stack of used tires we had here that were green, orange, blue, black, red, old tires. We took and painted those tires, a pattern on those tires, and we actually planted some annuals and some perennials in these old tires. And here's what they look like up close, YouTube. Check that out. Aren't they gorgeous? What we actually used was about 8 to 10 used tires, stacked them up in this circular pattern here, YouTube, painted them the colors that we wanted them to actually be, and we just planted flowers in them, YouTube. We fill up the bottoms in the same way that we fill our Hugo Culture garden planters. We actually fill up the bottom with old logs, twigs, leaves, lawn debris, etc. And then we placed our potting soil on top of that, and then we planted our flowers in the potting soil. And they're doing quite well here, YouTube. We just thought we'd share this with you guys this morning. We're not actually completely done with this project. We still have to do the rear side of it. But we're really pleased with the way what we've done so far turned out. And we want your opinion on this, YouTube. Please comment in the comment section below this video and tell us what you think about this project and this use of recycling old tires to use as garden planters in our backyard escape garden area here, YouTube. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see in this video and you're not already subscribed, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button below this video and the notification button also. Thanks.